Hi, I'm Litvarski and I'm going to play Crazy Cars 3 on the Amiga. This is released by Titus in 1992, and this is the third part of the Crazy Cars series. So the Crazy Cars 1 was crap and Crazy Cars 2 was also crap, but then this third one really is a spot on game. So we have this racer, and what can we do here? We can change our controls to have acceleration for fire or for pushing up. I'm doing the fire. Then we have this garage where we can mend or repair our car when it gets damaged. And then there's a shop where we can buy some stuff, for example a better gearbox or a radar detector, or tires, or top speed. So our gearbox is automatic in the beginning, but we can also buy a manual when we have enough money. So let's pick a race. Let's take this one. This one has a fee 6,000 and I have only 6,000 money, so I cannot bet any money with these other racers. So I'll take this one with fee is 4,000. So we can bet some more to make better money. There was also Lamborghini American Challenge, which is exactly the same game, except the music is a bit different, and then it has also 2-player option. That one was released in '94, so 2 years later, and it's also on the CD32. I would have actually played that CD32 version, but it was somehow it was a bit glitchy, and I think the reason was that I have the terrible fire accelerator for it. Some pictures were a bit glitchy. Wasn't unplayable, but still I wanted to have better looking pictures, so I played this version. So you have very good, or you really feel that you have much speed in this game, unlike some other racing games. And the controls are perfect also. I'm just playing badly. Okay, so we are in the lead. race is almost over, so I think I'm won. Yeah. So this opens up some possibilities. So first we want to repair our car so it doesn't lose any speed. In the shop there I can only buy the radar detector and I'm not needing that one yet. So I leave that alone. Icy weather, that would be better to have some better tires in icy weather. Or wet weather. That's a dry weather, so I think I'll try that one. So the gearbox is automatic in the beginning. But if you buy a manual transmission, then the controls are quite simple for that, because you just press the fire button to accelerate and you push up for changing the gear up, and down for changing it down. Aha, police. Oh. Oh. Ah. Not going too well. So anyway, I'm in the lead now, but the police are still under me. Ah. Oh, lots of turns. Okay, we're in the final straight, but I don't know what happens when the police are still chasing me in the road. Okay, apparently the police just went away. So now I want to buy some better tires. I have 8,700 money left after that, so I'm up to, okay. Certain police. I think I need some money from a driver to cost first, still. So let's take that. That looks good. Let's take that one. Oh yeah, I forgot to repair my car. So a happy end for the race. Let's repair the car, and then I want to buy some better tires. I could also buy some top speed actually. But let's see first whether we can go race for them. Let's take the top speed bonus. Let's go here and bet some money. No one wants to bet any money against me, it seems. So our top speed changed from 272 to 288 kilometers per hour. Doesn't feel like a very substantial difference, but that's something. The wet weather doesn't seem to affect me now when I have these better tires. It really is exactly like driving in dry weather. We could race Mike because he's quite close with these points. Let's see, we cannot buy anything, I think. Yeah, just a radar detector. Let's search Mike. $100. Cheapskate. I'll put at least 500. $700. Always can match that. I'll raise some more. Okay. Oh. Position 2 already. Well, now the offender, of course. Angry police. There's a nice picture in the top left. Oh. So anyway, it's a bit easy, at least this first, when we started 4th division, at least this is a bit easy. Some years ago I completed this game and I don't recall having any problems in the upper divisions either. So that's one thing which is not so good in this game, but other than that there are not really any bad things. Plays really well. Still some money. Let's go here. So there's good opponents and possible police, but also good money. Oh, damn it. Maybe I need some better gearbox to challenge this guy because he seems to be too fast for me. Should have grinded some more in the easy levels. But second place means that I'm not losing money, I think. Yeah, I made 2,000, I think. Let's look at the gearbox thing. Oh, I have $100 too little, so I cannot buy any transmission. So let's go to Chicago. Come on, 600. No way. So we are in the end of the race. Okay, now let's repair our car and let's take a risk by buying a Division Challenge pass. The risk is that I still haven't got a better transmission, so I'm not sure if I'm able to drive fast enough. Up. This is completely different race because there's no opponents and there are also cars coming from the front side as well. Okay, we made it. So we made it to the Division 3. That's, as I recall, the game doesn't really change. How am I going to go from here? Okay. Okay, so there's a $15,000 prize money for the Division Challenge. That I didn't. Well, now that I made it, I still have some money to go to the races in the 3rd division. And the shop has also now some different things. So there are better tires and these some, I don't know what this is, but some better stuff anyway in the shop. Okay, so I guess I've shown you enough of this game now. So it's a very good controls and good playability, but it's a bit easy in my opinion, because you can grind very easily these easier levels and buy better stuff and so on. It's anyway a very good achievement from Titus, this game. So, thanks for watching.